commercial.
Ready for a new potion.
Everybody, we're doing a new potion.
That's weird.
Ready and action. Do you like the new Godfather by the movie? Now.
Who is the angry child walking in the movie? Oh.
Do you have something for
Back off.
What happened,
Every
Callie?
child
baby?
needs to smell like
Oh,
flowers.
she's sad.
Okay, I'll
You need a real microphone.
1, 2, 3, action.
Come on, baby. Come here.
Get this gun away from me! 1, 2, 3, action.
See what-
Well, if you're the no older, you're supposed to be the one saying. Okay, everybody, if you want, come on, take a smell. Who wants to go first?
Are we in a circus?
Take a smell.
Is this a live audience? Yes. Yes. Callie,
Come on.
Callie wants to take a
This time I
smell.
get to do Callie and.
You want to take a smell?
Who wants?
She
Who
looks
wants
like
to
she's
go
been
first?
traumatized.
I'll get Callie. Yeah, you get to do your mom.
The micro. You want a microphone? You want one of those microphones?
You smell a new one.
Gee whiz! I love that. Thank you.
Wait,
My baby here wants to try it.
my baby.
What do you think? Do you love it?
Callie, look at me.
How
Callie.
good is Stinky? Sorry, it's not for kids. She doesn't like it.
Okay. Now we're going to the commercial, everybody.